Hello and welcome back to a new lesson about our Somali so Somali learning pro, 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 program, right? Last week we have learned uh, um J J J and how vowels interact may interact in Somali words. All right. We have said it is cha, che, chi, cho, chu, right? Adding short vowel to the chai, che, che, right? Che, che, che. It is cha, che, chi, cho, chu. We simply here you have molars, molar, lower molars, and above molars, right? So simply, please, you put it is like when you say uh, there's no English equivalent, right? Please, there's no similar English, okay? Today I got you another letter that's not found in the Latin alphabet, right? Therefore, it is difficult on many persons to actually pronounce that letter. I heard you, I heard you, I heard you, and pronouncing that word, trying to pronounce that word, but actually, so if you want, it is call it ha. The x, we have x in here, but we pronounce it differently. Like the Arabic, we say it ha. So let me simplify how to pronounce this letter. Like we did before, you add short or long vowel to the X, right? Ha, he, ho, hu. It is ha, he, ho, hu. I've corrected it, right? It is ha, he, ho, hu. Ha, he, ho, ha, he, ho, hu. Ah, eh, I, oh, ah, eh, I, oh, So how can you make this letter? And you have mouth part right here. Look at the mouth. You have a head, tongue. At the end of the tongue, you have uvula. You see the uvula, near the uvula, a very small area that is on the right side of the uvula. This small area that's on the right or left side, you pick up, and small area that's on the right side or the left side of the uvula. You see, ha, he, he, ho, hu, ha, he, he, ho, hu, ah, eh, I, oh, ah, eh, I, oh, So hammer, for example, hammer, hair, higal, hook, hair ilaali, good, he shot, many words, you see. So today we start with there until next week. Bye.